Hey guys, it's Kelly Renee. For this video, I wanted to share with y'all these glitters I got from Walmart. I was curious to see if I could use them in nail art. This pack of 6 neon glitters was only $2.97, and I found them in the arts and crafts aisle. I'm gonna go ahead and open them real quick and show each individually up close. I like how the top has 3 holes instead of just being straight open. That way you can control how much glitter comes out. To start, I laid down some scrap paper for an easier cleanup. And I started with 1 coat of Misa Throw Me Something Purple Please, and layered 1 coat of this dark sheer purple from LA Colors. Using this purple glitter and a random top coat, I'll apply a thick layer of top coat and sprinkle the glitter on top, and use my finger to pat the glitter into the wet polish to secure it down. And then using the scrap paper, I'll pour the glitter back in the tube, trying not to waste too much. Then you'll want to apply 1 to 2 thick coats of your favorite fast dry top coat to seal the glitter in and create a smooth surface. I only did 1 coat because in my next video I'll be adding nail art over this. After the top coat dried, I also used a brush to get rid of any loose extra glitters around the edges. I'm actually impressed with these glitters. I did find the final result a little hard to smooth completely, but they're definitely usable in nail art. I'm sure you noticed it seems that the top coat darkened the glitter, either because they became sort of wet or the polish underneath was a darker shade. I hope y'all enjoyed this experiment. Don't forget to subscribe to see my next video to see what I do with this glittery base. Give me a like and comment with any questions or suggestions. I'll see y'all next time.